Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to create a short program in Python where we generate a sales report. Okay, we're going to start off here by creating a function, and this function is called intro. So we just type in this here, Python sales report. And then we create another function called sales items down here, and we create the function here. This is a separate function. So once we run that, that will then lead us into the sales items. So we create a variable called sales and assign it to an empty list. And then we create another variable called total and assign it to 0. This will keep track of the total for us. Now, we create a while loop. So while true, create a variable here called price and assign it to input and type in enter price or exit. So the user can enter a price or exit. So this is a variable here. The input will get the user input that the user has typed in. Then we have to evaluate this, and we do this by using the if conditional in Python. So if price.lower is equal to exit, so if we type anything in there, it will reduce it to lowercase. So if the price is equal to exit, then we're going to break here. We're going to break out of this loop using break here. Or else the price here, we're going to assign it to float and then price. So float as in a floating number because it could be a decimal. You could assign something like 19.2 or something like that, you know, and it's going to have to handle that data. So we use the floating method here. And then what we do is we do sales.append price. So we append the price here into sales, and then we do total here plus price. So total is equal to total plus the price, and this is where we print out the report. So we use the print command, and new line here, sales report, number of items sold, and we put the length of the sales there, and then we create another print function here, total amount sold, and then we put the total here, so it will interpolate the total variable into the string. And then simply to call the program, we call it by intro, which we'll call this here. So let's run the program. I'll just save the program first. So let's run the program. Okay, let's make it a little bit bigger here, so we can actually see it. So enter a price, so 56.90. Okay, let's enter another one, 77.45. Enter another one there, 88. Hit enter again, and then I want to hit exit because I want the report. So hit enter there. So there you go. You've got the sales report. So the number of items we sold was 3, and the total amount sold was 225.35. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. Remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, you could consider subscribing by hitting the button down there, which will help me out a lot. Thank you very much. Give me a like, drop me a comment, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.